Hi, welcome back to Felix Art World. Today I am painting these letters. I'm going to do pours on them. I got to prep them. After I take the sticker off, I am going to prime it, let it dry, maybe do a couple of layers, giving it drying time in between. And the topic, I should say, is the Mexican flag. In this case, I already did the A for America, but I have for the United States, but I have many more things in mind. I want to do a cutout of the country of the United States and do a pour on it. There's a lot of people already doing stuff like that, so I want to do my own. I think it looks like an exciting project. So anyhow, my plan for these letters is to glue them to wood, a piece of wood, and I'm undecided. I don't know if that piece of wood I'm gonna paint it white or do a pour on it. So here's my red. It's not very fluid at all, and it's mixed with Floetrol. That's all I'm using as a medium for this session. This is the metallic by Smart's Craft, I think. Smart, yeah, this guy. And that helps me make cells because I'm not using anything to create cells, no silicone. And this is the red I'm using, which is already fluid. Floetrol, Liquitex, the dark green, pre-mixed with Floetrol. I save these little bottles to save whatever leftover paint I have. I save it on those bottles. I should mention that in some sections this video has been accelerated. Right here is normal speed, but I'm jumping from normal to almost twice as fast to save time mostly. So I'm getting the corners. The corners are always really hard, especially in this type of canvas and this type of objects. It's really hard to get to the corners. I gotta just top them with paint or just continue making pours till I get complete coverage. Now I'm ready to pour on the M. Every country has 2-letter initials, so I don't know for this Flags of the World project if I'm gonna be doing letters or I'll be doing flags. I don't know, it's gonna vary. I guess it depends how I feel about it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna flip the cap on this. I got the letter all wet so that I work wet on wet, and that way the paint moves faster and better, I will say. I'll get a better coverage. There's too much white. I don't really like to see so much white. I'm gonna have to add some more of that green. Here I'm going to town. It's 4 times faster than the normal speed. And I'm just moving the paint to make sure I get a little bit of cells. I don't want to get a crazy amount of cells, but I do want to see some cell action. That's what I am into, fluid art. I love the cells. But too many cells, it's sometimes boring. Anyway, this letter has a lot more surface to work on, so it was more fun. I really enjoy working on this letter. If you want to see the A I did for America, it's painted with the American flag on it. You can see it right here. That was a swipe. Now blow them bubbles. Let's get rid of them. Make it look nice and smooth. And the leftover paint, I'm using this card paper, postcard paper. It's a thick paper, and I'm gonna get as much paint as I can there. I have uses for this. Sometimes I'm working on compositions that require variety, and this will come handy later on for a future project. Ta-da! So I'm gonna let it dry. And what's left over on the plastic, I will save it and use it as skins, acrylic skins for jewelry. If you want to see the jewelry I make with the skins, just click on the banner up here. There you go. Nice. I love those cells. I guess swipe is one of my favorite techniques when it comes to this type of art. And here I have more skins. They're still in the plastic. It needs to be peeled off. And this one's already off the plastic. It's really nice. This is a medium thickness. It depends how much Floetrol you put on your paint. The less Floetrol, the thicker the skin's going to be. If you put lots of Floetrol and more water, they come out really thin. So now I'm getting started with the eagle. It was Flag Day on March 24th, and I wanted to have something to show on my Instagram, Felix Art World. And so I just made a quick eagle to form the flag, because I still need to buy the wood and do the other idea I have in mind. If you guys come up with your own flag of your country, I would love to see it. Contact me on Instagram if you have an Instagram account, and share your flag with me, your composition. I love to see what this inspire in you. If you are currently a subscriber of this channel, thank you. Thank you so much for your support. Share my videos with your friends and the artsy people in your life. Here they are, already nice and dry. Nice, I like it. I I can't wait to finish this project with ideas I have in mind on the wood, with a wooden frame, a thick frame, and that frame's gonna have like an Aztec design on it. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, and subscribe to see a lot more. Thank you. Bye bye.